I think you gotta be able to admit when you're beat. And I'm beat. I didn't do anything today, but I hurt my back the other day and it hasn't healed. I don't like being hurt. I don't get hurt a lot, but I'm hurt today. Oh God, it hurts to pick up the camera. That stretch is nice. Today's plan has been completely blown out of the water. I just can't do anything today. My back hurts way too much. It makes for a really bad YouTube video when you're hurt and you're not sure what you want to do. Yeah, this sucks. My video sucks. If I don't work this weekend, if I don't get anything done, then I can't really put a video up. And more importantly, I'm not getting anything done on the house. This project is so huge, it's very intimidating. I can show you what the mason's been doing. He chisels out anything that's loose. This wall looks really good. You can see the newer stuff. I think it looks really good. Alright, so I've noticed that all the good YouTube channels out there have good catchphrases. So I'm going to put a challenge out there to all my subscribers to come up with a good catchphrase. Just for me to say, you know, hello or welcome or something. Because you hit that record button and then you're just like, awkward. I could say like, welcome to this old house. I think that one's taken though, right? You saw me framing up this closet the other day. So today's project's gonna be to frame the closet area from this spot over. The original house did not have a closet here. It had a closet over in this corner. This bathroom here was pushed out quite a bit more like to probably here. That's where the old bathroom used to come way out more into this room. So by getting rid of that closet way over there, we were able to move the bathroom way back. We were able to open this room up quite a bit. But the original house did have a closet on the other side of the stairs. So we had 1, 2, 3 closets down here. Technically, right now I've got 3 framed up in that hallway. But we're gonna put a 4th one right here. It's not gonna be huge, but it's a closet nonetheless. Hey.
Hi.
I went and measured all the doors and I have the one that has to go for this closet basically, this closet that we're gonna frame today. In order for it to go to the right hand side of the HVAC and face the way we wanted it to face, I have to build that closet out another like 12 to 18 inches. There's not enough room even for the 27-inch door to be built out. It's just not very much space.
So maybe we don't want to put anything there.
It's possible. I don't know, man. 48 inches is huge. Jeez.
You put 2x4s down-ish where I can see it and send me a picture or video chat with me.
All right, I'll do that. I don't know how this works. I gotta flip the camera around. That's probably a little over 4 foot right there.
Can you make a funny little thing that makes it like even?
A funny little thing, huh? So I guess that's that then. We just won't put a closet there.
Yeah, I wouldn't say. I think that it's too small of an area.
All right, I'll see you when I get home.
Bye.
Bye, I love you guys.
Bye.
Bye. closet.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Just wanted to check in because I know a lot of you have been wondering where I've been. Maybe, probably not. But you know, I've been busy with the baby and all these cute little ones. We appreciate everybody that watches every week and comments. It really helps motivate Lucas.
On top of telling me your favorite place, you gotta tell me why it's your favorite place. So the closet is your favorite place.
Peekaboo.
What's your favorite place in the house? You wanna show me?
Yep.
Okay, show me.
I'm up here on this and I need some help.
This right here is probably my favorite part in the house. Just where the beams are oiled and you can see that nice white ceiling that we've got up there. I don't know. I really like the way that turned out. What's your favorite part of the house so far?
You.
What's your favorite part of the house, Mommy? It doesn't have to be upstairs. It doesn't have to be downstairs. It can even be outside.
I like the windowsills.
The windowsills?
I like the stone wall.
Mommy likes more than one spot, so I guess that's okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Thanks for watching the videos. We'll see you next week.
That was pretty good.
Like and share the videos and please subscribe and like the video. Please subscribe right here on the button and push